Hello guys, I will show in this video how to buy domain from Porkbun and connect with Hostinger. Type your domain, check availability. This domain is available. Add to card. Checkout. Continue billing. Already added my debit card. Click to pay. Payment is done, and refresh. Okay, domain is ready. Click to details. You need to change this name server. Now go to Hostinger. Add or migrate a website. Skip. I don't want personalized experience. Skip. Create an empty website. Use an existing domain. Select. Enter your domain name. Continue. Add this name server on domain provider. Submit. Click to manage site. Not pointing name server. Check DNS checker. Still not connect hosting or name server with domain provider. Wait 30 minutes. Now refresh page. Okay, successful connected domain with Hostinger. Now you need to create database. Type any name here. This is database password. Save in Notepad. Create. Successful created database. Now you need to install Wordpress. Click on Website Auto Installer. Enter website title, admin email, admin username, admin password. Select already created database and enter database password. Click to Next. Install. Check site. Okay, WordPress site created successful. Thank you for watching.